Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see, I've already done a pour and I wasn't happy with it. So I've tilted it all off and we're going to do it again. So what I have here is Paynes grey, which is golden. Oh, and I have a little bit of blue here. So what I'm trying to do is show you guys how those little universe kind of cells pop up. I'm going to go in with the blue, and you'll notice how every time I pour, whether it be in the cup or the jug, I always wipe it off on the side there. And I think that is what was creating those little planet cells. We'll go in with some white. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this teal just on the side so it also runs down so that we can differentiate. We can see the actual color and see if that's what it is. I'm going in with more blue. And the white. And a little bit more of the teal on the edge. So my paints are mixed, 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, and I have actually got a little bit of, well, not a bit, I think it's about, I've added about 50% the DecoArt Satin Enamel to the white, so it's 50% to the white. Down there, and I'll add a little bit more white. I'm not too keen on putting too much white in because I think this white pretty much just takes over, especially with the DecoArt in it. And then we'll put a little bit more of blue so it runs down there, the teal. So let's just, I'm just going to move this back a bit. I can't lean so far away, unfortunately. Okay, wait, I see a doodad. Let's get rid of them first. And I think those little doodads are actually from my white. Should be okay. Alright, let's get cracking. So I haven't got a hell of a lot of paint here because there's so much paint on here already. I have a lot of other artworks in my head that I need to get out onto canvas. It's so all these other videos are just delaying it really. Okay. you know me, I love to show what's in my cup. If hopefully you can see that. It's really, really nice. All of the little cell looking things. Okay. I'm going to give us a torch. I quite like what I see, what's going on here. Just going to pop these bubbles. Okay, so let's tilt this. So as I was saying, you know, I have quite a few new ideas in my head that I would like to get out on canvas. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Right, I think I'm going to go off there first. I really, really like what's going on here. Much better than the previous pour that I did. So I'm just bringing it back to the center. Right, this is actually looking more like what I wanted. It's so great when that happens. Okay. Let's go off this side. As you can see, because I didn't add a lot of paint on, I'm really stretching it. So I'm just trying to get it back there. I'm not liking that over there, unfortunately. I'm just helping it along the way. So I have all these little pearl cells again, but I don't have, you know, another pearl cells, the little planets, like a lot of them. I'm just moving this around. Okay guys, I'm going to torch this one more time and then I'll bring you in to have a look. I think that I really like those. I like the way it turned out, and I think I'm glad that I actually did a second pour. That is really, really nice. It's so cool the way the effects looks kind of like tunneling. And I'm loving all of this action going on down here. Now I have a lot of these planet cells. Maybe you guys can try it and tell me if you get it as well, because there seems to be a lot of it, and I don't know, you know, I used the teal because I wanted the blues to look better than putting a really bright colour like pink or something like that with it. Although, you know, that would have made it pop, so I'd probably have to do a small version, test one and see. But I really, really like this, and thanks guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and hit the notifications bell. Let me know what you think down below. Thanks guys, see you next time, bye.